Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Xiaomi has recently launched the third generation of its book-style foldable phone. However, unlike the other foldable phone makers such as Samsung and Oppo, so far Xiaomi has stayed out of the vertically foldable phone market with a form factor like the Galaxy Z Flip 5. But it looks like Xiaomi can't resist anymore. So a few months back, one of the Xiaomi devices was spotted on the IMEI database, which rumored to be the Xiaomi's first flip phone, and now the same device is spotted on the China's IMEI database website alongside its marketing name Xiaomi Mix Flip, confirming the early rumors. So yes, we can say Xiaomi is eventually working on a flip-style foldable phone. Now the listing doesn't share any specifications or its design language, but earlier a leaked design render revealed the possible look of the Xiaomi's first flip phone. So from the front, it looks like any other flip phone we have seen so far. But on the back, it has a standout camera island that feels a bit like the Google Pixels. For the cover display below the camera island, though we don't know the exact dimensions, however, it looks like the Mix Flip will have a fairly big cover display. As we can see, unlike the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, which featured only wide and ultra-wide cameras, the Xiaomi Mix Flip will be among the few clamshell foldable phones to have 3 camera sensors, which means there will also be a telephoto zoom lens, giving the users a more versatile camera setup. So far, we don't know much about the camera specs, but the telephoto sensor is rumored to have a nice 3x optical zoom. Considering Xiaomi offered an impressive quad camera setup on their recently launched Mix Fold 3, we hope the upcoming Xiaomi Mix Flip will get some of that treatment. Earlier, the reliable tipster Digital Chat Station shared that the Xiaomi Mix Flip will be an extremely light and thin device. And in my opinion, we can't doubt Xiaomi on this, as they have done a great job in the case of Mix Fold 3, which is not just a tougher but also one of the slimmest book-style foldable phone. The same leaker also shared there will be a Snapdragon 8 series chipset under the hood, so we can expect a smooth flagship performance out of the Mix Flip. Now, speaking of the launch date, there have been reports suggesting the device will go official sometime in 2024. However, the digit 2311 in the model number could be an indication the Mix Flip will go official before the end of this year, maybe alongside the Xiaomi 14 series. So yes, Xiaomi's first flip phone is coming. Anyway, most likely we will get more details and maybe a 3D render soon. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.